Welcome back to Learn with Eamon. Today we are going to talk about entrepreneurship. So think about the last great product you bought. Maybe it was your favorite coffee, a phone app, or a cool pair of shoes. At some point that didn't exist. Someone spotted a problem, came up with a solution, and made it real. That's entrepreneurship. And it's not just for billionaires in Silicon Valley, it's for you, me, and anyone willing to take an idea and run with it. So, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what entrepreneurship is, how it works in real life, what skill you need, and the exact step-by-step process to start and to how to avoid common mistakes and how to think like a pro founder even if you have never sold anything before. So what is entrepreneurship? In 1998, two friends in California wanted to make it easier for people to search the internet. Their idea? Google. At that time, it seemed tiny compared to giants like Yahoo, but they had a better solution to growing problems. So entrepreneurship is finding a problem worth solving, creating a product or service that fixes it, and making it available to the people who need it, while taking on the risks and challenges of making it work. So we have four types of entrepreneurship here. Number one is small business like bakeries, salons, or freelancers. Then we have startups like designed to grow fast like Uber. So then we have entrepreneurship. It's innovating inside a company. And the last one is social entrepreneurship, solving problems and making money. Let's have a quick review on the history of entrepreneurship. Ancient times, trading goods for value, like barter system that we all know about. So then 18th to 19th century, the industrial revolution, factories, railroads. Then we have 20th century, the big brands and global corporations. Then came the 21st century, in which we have e-commerce, social media, mobile apps. Anyone can reach a global audience from a laptop. For example, Amazon started in 1994 as an online bookstore in a garage. And today, over $500 billion in revenue. So the entrepreneur mindset traits to build curiosity. Curiosity is the first step. Okay, always ask why and what if. So resilience, bonus back from failure. Don't stop, never stop when you fail. Just get up and go. Adaptability, change when the market changes. Problem solving, find another way. If one doesn't work, find another. So we have a story here. When Elon Musk launched SpaceX, the first three rockets failed. He put all his remaining money into the fourth launch. It worked. The resilience saved the company. So the quick tip that I have for you is, instead of I failed, say that experiment didn't work. What's next? So skills you need. Running a business is like running a kitchen. You don't have to be a master at every dish, but you need to know the basics, how to prep, cook, and serve. Core skills for entrepreneurship: strategy, knowing your directions and goals; money management, understanding income, expenses, and profit; sales and persuasion, convincing people to try your solution; marketing, reaching the right people in the right way; networking, building relationships before you need them. So practice sales daily, even if it's just convincing a friend to try a new cafe. Okay, so the next we have is the step-by-step process. So for number one is spot a problem. Ask what frustrates people. Test the idea. Talk to 5 to 10 people, let's say. See if they would pay for it. Plan simple. A one-page plan with your product, customer, and how they will find you. Build a basic version and MVP, minimum viable product, the smallest version people can use or buy. Get first customers. Sell before you perfect. improve, use feedback to make it better, and scale. Once you have proof, people love it, grow bigger. The common challenges that we face in entrepreneurship: running out of money, that's the most common problem that almost everyone faces, is keep cost low, sell early. Competition, focus on what makes you different than others. Burnout, schedule breaks, set boundaries, and customer loss. Keep in touch, listen to feedback of your customers. Around 20% of new businesses close within the first year, not because the idea was bad, but because of poor money management or no market fit. So, the business models that we have here are the simple breakdown. One time sale. You get paid once, like selling a bike. Subscription, monthly income like Netflix or Spotify. Marketplace, connecting buyers and sellers like Etsy or Airbnb. Then services, your time or skills like freelance design. Okay, so pick based on how often people will need your product or service. So the future, AI and automation, doing work faster and cheaper. Green and eco-friendly businesses, growing demand for sustainable products. Remote work, more global opportunities. Creator economy, people earning from YouTube, TikTok, or newsletters. So, quick case study. We have three cases here. Number one is of Jeff Bezos of Amazon, long-term vision over short-term profit. Then Sarah Blakely, start small, bootstrap, and grow smart. Then we have Jack Ma, persistence despite rejection. So entrepreneurship isn't about being the smartest person in the room. It's about solving problems, learning fast, and not giving up. You don't have to smart big. You just have to start. If you're struggling with accounting, you might be making these three common mistakes. Let's fix them now. Number one, ignoring debit and credit basics. Students often memorize entries without understanding the logic of debits and credits. How to fix it? Master the three golden rules which I told you in my previous video. You can go and rewatch it. They are the foundation of every journal entry. Mistake number two, mixing up real personal and nominal accounts. Misclassifying accounts leads to wrong entries and a messed up trial balance. How to fix it? Learn the types of accounts and their behavior. It will save you every time. Mistake number three, not practicing enough. Accounting is a skill. Reading isn't enough. So how to fix it? Solve practice problems daily. The more you practice, the clearer it gets. Want to avoid these mistakes and master accounting? So subscribe to Learn with Eamon for easy and effective lessons, and let's grow together.